happening, y'all? What's going on? I don't really got too much going on today. It's off work because I honestly don't even know why. But I'm off work, so just want to make a little vlog or something to do. So I'm about to take the car, do the no-touch wash, take some shots with the camera. I'm gonna go in one of my favorite spots by the water. But yeah, man, I mean, it's really no plan. Just freestyling it, to be real with you. I don't know what to do with myself today, so man, we just gonna kick it. We just gonna chill, cruise a little bit. It's 11:30, 11:25, same thing. So yeah, man, y'all just ride with me and enjoy the video. Appreciate y'all. Oh yeah. Turn this off so I don't get that. But anyway, yeah, y'all see we in this thing getting it sprayed down, man. Got all my stuff right there. Last night, I have a gimbal for my big camera, my Canon. And I tried to set it up, bro, but I think I'm missing some pieces, so I can't use that yet. I gotta look online and try to find the other pieces that I'm missing. So once I find that, I'll be able to try it out, but I can't even use it yet, so oh well. But I'm still gonna take some pictures today. I don't care. Still gonna take some pictures. So I got to the first spot. I forgot to show it to y'all before I got up out of here. But pretty much, usually I go over there to that's a boat ramp right there. I usually pull my car down there, but there's been a lot of trucks. Well, you know what? There's nobody over there right now because these two guys were over there first. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get some shots over there by the water. Okay, so I found another little spot, but there's not really anywhere to take any crazy pictures. I mean, I could go pick a parking spot and then have some shots with the boats in the back, but I don't know. We'll see. I'll get down there and try to make it work. So, parked right here, trying to get some shots, incorporating this back here. There's nowhere to really set my phone up because there's so many people coming through here. But like I said, gonna get some shots right here with the water in the back. And that water looks dirty as fudge. I didn't cuss, I said fudge. But dude, that water looks nasty. I'm not gonna lie. No bank fishing. But anyway, yeah, got all the boats in the back. So let's see what we can do. Yeah, so not too many good positions here. Honestly, parking lot's crowded. Dude, leave me alone. Get away from the car. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. I'm gonna just get in the car, man. Fuck, he's staying my ass. But, oh, damn. Hit my head. I'm leaving all that in there, too. About to mess the waves up. But anyway, not too many spots. I'm sweating. It's hot. Not too many good positions in this area. So I'm gonna look for another spot. I'm about to head to Mount Juliet. Go ahead, take this back road all the way out and see what we can find. So let's get it. Yep. So obviously it's nighttime now. Pretty much, I didn't end up going to look for another spot. I went to the crib, took a shower, and had to chill for a minute. But since I'm jumping tonight, we're getting into some night festivities. So I'm gonna meet with the homies here at Cookout. That's Danny's vet right there. I don't know whose this is, but this is nice. This is cold. This is nasty right here. But yeah, kicking it with the homies, so let's get it. That's funny. What? We made it to the spot, y'all. Tanner finally got this nasty motherfucker back out. I ain't seen this truck in over a year. And then Uni got an LS Swap 240.
Up these stairs? No.
You know what's you know what's gay about this fucking car? It's tuned on 87.
What?
It's tuned on 87.
So you put 87 in it?
Yes.
I'd be putting 93 in that
I was like, what would happen if I put 93? He said, man, it ain't gonna run right at all. I said, why? No, I'm just saying.
I think I could
Is that a 1LE or a ZL?
I told Mike, I was like, listen.
I think it's a 1LE. Yeah, it says SS right there. Just 1LE. It's clean though. I like the white. Hell yeah. And then there go Vinny's truck. This thing is really clean setup. I'm not sure what motor that is, but that 14's on that thing. As you can obviously see what it's set up for. It's got the wing in the back. Corbos. Oh, there we go. Damn, this thing is way cleaner with the lights on. 6 shift. But yeah, this is it. This is a nice setup right here, man. It's a Sonoma.
How big his arms are now? Well, I ain't working. Just take that as a compliment there. Pin at 250 milligrams a day. Been cycling on gear. It ain't gonna hurt you at your age. I'll tell you right now. When you put your thing.
That's why you got a 4-door. You need to finish your 4-door.
Which side of the scrape on? Everywhere.
That is pretty tight.
He said, see this? Yeah.
It's nice though. I wish I could buy this thing. This cam, bro.
God. 245. You got them cool 245. Oh my God. I was stretching a 215 on a 10. God. What? You see how fucking tire stretch? You should have seen my old car.
This cam, bro. This one got a cam in it.
Yeah.
Oh, it runs
got a
smooth.
cam in it?
Turn it on, bro. Turn it on. Turn it up. Turn it up.
Oh shit.
You ain't got. Got bottom out. Oh wow, you don't. I'm surprised. Sound good though. Sound good. That's the stage 0.5 cam.
I don't know. if you're subscribed to Colin on YouTube, but it's a concrete jungle.
I know, man.
Yeah.
Hey, did you bust this thing?
Hell no. I haven't even washed it since I got it.
That's that custom Venom paint.
No, bro, they fucked it up. The OEM color is that rare ass like purple blue. And then they
I see the blue right there. You can't see it on the camera, but I can see it with the way the light hitting it right here. I can see the blue.
Man, it's a piece of shit car.
If I had the money, it'd be in my driveway.
Buy it.
I'm
Wheels on bring your own wheels. Bro.
Ah, okay.
Talking about beer pong. I'll put 25. Oh, I've already 25. Yeah. What do I look like, a bitch?
Back in that truck.
40.
Y'all trying to play beer pong out here?
Who are we roll racing here? 40. Talk about beer pong.
Take off 3 cups and then I'll.
He's got a ping pong net for it.
Let me get 3 cups.
Oh, he a
today.
professional. twin turbo car.
Oh, okay, I was gonna say.
I was confused because he got the front stocks on.
It was so quiet.
Yeah, man, sleeper. So y'all already saw this car on the Cars and Coffee video. So y'all know it's Devin. He used to have the blue. He had the blue C7 with the Vortex on it, wide side, whatever, or I don't know. I don't know how the vet stuff works, but he just got this. It's disgusting. That's a full-blown like street drag car. It's disgusting. TH400 gauges, but the stock seats is pretty mint. Said they're comfortable, so. It said it's sketch. Dang, that you can smell all that freaking E. It's leaking.
You don't see it drip drip?
Yeah, you see it
Where?
everywhere.
Drip drip.
Oh, that's
spot it's
fuel.
coming out at too.
That's fuel everywhere.
Yeah, let me just weld it. In there.
Nah, he can weld for real though. That joint is strong. Let me back up. It smell like it's been a pop. What?
It's the first time really driving, honestly.
Lucky I didn't bring my bed.
Yeah, first time. I seen you the other day gapping the bins talking about first time. Oh, what you trying to do?
Yeah, I still got it with the fuel leak. I
Ooh.
can leave it in third gear and roll into it. Tell you to go ahead and go and catch up.
I got 10,000.
You think?
I promise you.
Oh, it's like that.
I promise you.
It's like that.
I mean, I got, we can go.
He don't want to put me on the beer pong game, man. That's crazy. He's finna show me the form. He got the whole table at the back of the truck. That's crazy. Yeah.
All Foxbody.
What's the TPS?
So that man just fucking, man.
I told him I'd give him the hit, man.
Yeah.
He ain't believe me, man.
He gave me the hit twice. So the second time I let out early, so I count that as a win. But anyway, nah, so he got me by like, man, a bus or something. It's fast. I'm gonna insert the clip here. Everybody pretty much left. Just kicking it out. A couple of homies telling stories and stuff. Got the big turbo vet, wide side. I think 150 shot or whatever. But yeah, we just chilling, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and close it out. Started off as a vlog, and now, I mean, it's still a vlog. So got the race in with that. That's a 800, making about 850 wheel when I ran that Foxbody. Twin turbo setup. I think it was a 5.7 or 5.3 LS, but it's nothing crazy, but it doesn't weigh anything. It weighed like 2,600 pounds. So yeah, man, we just kicking it, chilling for the rest of the night. Ain't nothing else going on, but let me know what y'all think about that run. Full drag car versus full boat on E85 street car GT500. Y'all got to finally get some action in my car as far as on a full vlog video. So thank y'all for watching. Love, like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. See you on the next one.